Alright, checked another thing off my wish list. Got me a porta band and their little stand that goes with the Hercules. They was on sale on their parking lot sale. I saved $95 on them two. Had to go to two different stores, 30 miles apart, because they only had one of each at each store. So let's get them out of the box and see what we got. Well, this thing's in a really nice blow molded case here. And the blades don't come with these, so you make sure you pick you up a set of blades. It does have a place to store blades in it though, so I got a good long cord on it. Thing's got some weight to it. Pretty nice. All right, I got these covers off. This one here, this little tab here that goes on this side, fits right here, is already broke off just laying down in the case, and this one here is cracked. But I think I can work with that. Always glue it back up with some epoxy. I bought a couple different kinds of blades. Right now I need to cut some thin stuff, so I got the 24 TPI. And in case I need to cut any thicker stuff, I went ahead and got a 10 to 14. So get this blade on there. And this rubber, the drive wheel rubber there on this one here, about half of it was pushed off of it and pushed down, so I just took a little thin screwdriver and just kind of slowly worked around and got it pulled up out of there. You might want to put some gloves on, as these little teeth can bite you. Got an old Greenlee porta band, which is a really good thing, and used it for years. Got it from my stepfather, was a plumber, union, and it decided to start arcing and sparking here a while back. So that's why I'm gonna just decided to upgrade to a newer model. All right, we got that down in there. Little tension levers back here. Spin it towards the saw. All right, everything's looking good. And them blades are a 2-pack of blades, so I think it's about 15 bucks a piece, 17, 18, somewhere in there. So, got that, and then just slowly hit the trigger. Watch how it's riding on your rubbers. Make sure everything looks like it's doing all right. That looks good. Them covers snap back on, and right here's your cutting guide. It's just got a little push button. You can adjust it to whatever size you need it, I guess. I probably won't be using that because I'm planning on putting it on the stand and using it as a bandsaw for now. So these covers are just got some little plastic ears. Say especially how I'm going to plan on using it as that, it's probably going to be a good idea to run it with these on it. That old Greenlee never even had any on it, I don't guess. But I didn't get it when I got it, so. Like I say, that one there is cracked, and this one was broke off, so. It should still work though. Get it under that tab. There we go. All right. Well, that's all there is to it. All right. I'll show you a couple of quick things I figured out. Got a little switch, got a pretty bright little LED light on this thing. So you turn that on off. That should really help me when I using it as a bandsaw table. And you got variable speed here, 1 through 6. Alright, got some scrap from an old metal shipping container here. I'm gonna cut some pieces off of it and see how this thing comes out. I think it's about 1/8 inch probably. Zips right through it, no problems.